I measured the temperature every 30 seconds, and as a result, nothing happened because I made a very big assumption that the calcium carbonate is in the water, but in fact, well, the carbon dioxide, which is another form of the calcium carbonate, is a gas, so it doesn't interact with the water. It isn't mixed in the water. So basically, it wouldn't really have an effect in the temperature change. And my independent variable is the concentration of the calcium carbonate, and the dependent variable is the temperature. That's it.
Questions, comments?
We're trying to find how calcium carbonate will decrease the pH of water, right? But don't calcium carbonate and water form calcium hydroxide of water? So it's supposed to
Edward, do you do, you're a chemist, do you do chemistry as well?
Yes.
So, there you go.
We're assuming a lot of things.
So,
Well, from what, because we started the experiment and Dr. Egan came over and he told us that, whoa, this won't dissolve in water and nothing will happen, the pH won't change, and so we were not sure at the start, and it did have some. It took quite a period of time for it to dissolve, but then I could tell you that parts of it dissolved. But, well, our experiment was that carbon dioxide, increasing carbon dioxide on the pH of the ocean. But then, in fact, only a portion of this carbon dioxide goes into the ocean. So, yeah, the fact that it isn't soluble is actually not a big fault, I think.
Yeah, both of us are assuming that the carbon dioxide is in the water. So
okay.
that's the biggest flaw of our experiment.
Cool.
Can I just make 2 comments here? Number 1, trust your guts. Not everything is as the teachers will tell you that it is. If you don't believe me, you can ask Leslie about his extended essay with magic solutions
It's fantastic.
that do everything except what they're supposed to do. Right, Leslie? And number 2, just because you've created a model to show something doesn't mean that your model will. The model kind of like is being tested. I suppose that Ivan and Samuel are going to give us an example of a model that was reinvented to become another model. So don't assume that the results you got are because of what you were testing. There's lots of variables that you might not be controlling. Edward just pointed one out that these guys, they're not chemists, we don't blame them. Weren't aware of. But just keep in mind, okay? That's why you always hear that naggy friend from me, you haven't proven everything. You've just provided evidence. Stop filming me.